My name is James Whittaker. I work for Microsoft. I came over from Google to build the Bing Information Platform, which we released a couple weeks ago at our Build conference. And now I've converted to being a technical evangelist, so I can go out and tell the world about the power of knowledge over information, because that's really what's happened over the past decade and a half. Is that, you know, we've been searching and we found a bunch of stuff. And so in this finding, what we've done is we've converted information into knowledge. And the next decade or so, we are going to be quite busy. The world is going to be quite busy integrating knowledge in everywhere, right? Our intention is to integrate knowledge everywhere it makes sense to integrate it. If you're doing something in your calendar that requires knowledge of the outside world, we can bring that knowledge into your calendar. The example I gave at the conference was being able to book travel directly from your calendar. Right, this is a scenario that when you decide to go somewhere, you go to your calendar to decide when you can go. You go off to the web, you go off to apps, you book that travel, then you go back to your calendar where you started and transcribe all of your confirmation numbers and schedule. And so this access to knowledge, we know the flights, we know the hotels, we know what's happening at your destination, we know the events. All this knowledge can be part of the process of keeping the user, of bringing knowledge to the user instead of making the user go out to the web for information. Two primary super apps are maps and calendars, right? Maps for things that occur spatially, calendars for things that occur temporally. And so you can imagine, you know, a user's life painted on the canvas of a map or painted on the canvas of a calendar, and having that be exquisitely useful. You don't have to go out and search the web. You don't have to go out and search for the app that'll do it. It's right there. Not in a calendar, but in your calendar, right? It's personal, it's powerful, and it's knowledge. It's the power of knowledge over information.